And just let the head drop for me. Very good. All the way down for me. Just relax that shoulder there. Let the head fall. Beautiful. Whew. And all the way out, just let it all go. Perfect. Take a deep breath in for me. All the way out, just let it all go. Perfect. So we're going to start with your arms across your body.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to come in and do a sit up towards me. I'm just going to place my hand right behind the back. Now go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Very nice. How did that feel?
Oh my god. I knew I was dying. Oh, that was so good.
What did you think?
I knew that was in there.
Yeah.
Oh no, that felt great.
Awesome, awesome.
Yes, I adjust children all the time.
Just relax for me. I'm just going to turn the head a little bit. Very good. Did you feel that?
That's my bones.
Yeah, your bones. I'm
Yeah.
going to fix your mask here, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to do the other side as well. Very good. How did that feel?
That's not my Aaron bones.
Yeah. Is that cool or what?
Look at that dog.
Yeah. You'll feel some release there. And let it all go. Just feel the body sink into the table. Very good. How'd that feel?
Oh, great.
You're cracking already. Nice deep breath in. All the way out.
That's amazing.
That was incredible. All the way out. Very good. How'd that feel? That was huge.
Great.
Awesome. Good, and just let the head fall to my hand. Fall. Fall. Drop that. Fall. Drop. Right. Drop. Fall. Drop. For me. Let the head fall for me. Drop. Drop. Fall. Fall and relax it. Let it go, let it go. And just let it fall. Beautiful.
Oh my god.
Wow. Drop you in here, okay? Give me one more time, deep breath in. And all the way out. Just let the body sink to the table.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
That was loud.
That was crazy, yeah.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. And all the way out. Just let it all go.
Oh!
Very good. To the left.
Oh!
To the right.
Oh!
Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a nice deep breath in.
Ok, suspira adentro y afuera.
Very good. How did that feel?
¿Cómo se sintió?
Good. One more time.
¿Otra vez?
All the way out. strapping in here. Nice stretch here. Oh, it's releasing already. Just relax it.
Oh my gosh.
Very good.
Wow.
How'd that
That's
feel?
crazy. It feels so good.
Awesome. Oh, that was super
Oh.
loud too. In here, okay?
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Just let it drop. Let it drop. Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me, and all the way out. Perfect. One more time, please. All the way out. Perfect. Just let it drop. Let it drop.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
Oh my god.
How'd that feel?
That feels really, really good.
Awesome. Something come in with a different contact here.
Okay.
So all the way down for me, and just drop that shoulder there. Perfect. And just give me full control. Let the head fall. Beautiful. Now I'm going to strap you in here, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead, take a deep breath in. Let it all go. Just relax it. The body fall to the table.
Oh my goodness.
Very good.
Wow.
How did that feel?
Wow, I never have felt that. Literally all through. Oh my god.
Awesome.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Go ahead, yeah, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. How'd that feel?
Oh god, like mad.
Go ahead, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out.